Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make slides on the Code the Dream attendance app. Today I have the task of turning this markdown into a lesson for the interns, and I'm going to show you the process of how to make slides using this information that I have right here. So first thing I want to do, I'm logged into the CTD Attendance Herokuapp.com site. I go to courses and I'm going to be making a new course. It's just going to be called Intern Seminars. Now I'm going to make a new semester. I'm just going to call it 2018, which is very general. Now I'm going to go to the lessons portion of this course, and as you can see there's no lessons right now, but right now I'll be adding a new one. I'm going to be making a Git seminar. Well, let's just call it Git. And I'll set this a few days in advance, and then the rest can be blank. So now, as you can see, we have a lesson, but it's not visible yet, and we also don't have any students for this class yet, but that's fine. Right now we're just trying to get the slides to work. So if you click View Slides right now, it's a blank page because there is no code for the JavaScript to show as slides. It's just blank right now. So the first thing you need to know about slides is that you can create many slides by using HTML tags, and the HTML tag for a slide is a section. It's very similar to HTML. Here you can say hello world, and then in this next slide just make another section tag, and inside of it we can say goodbye world. So if you save that, it'll say lesson updated, and if you refresh this slides page, you now have hello world and goodbye world. Now I don't like to edit the HTML for these slides directly in here. I like to be in a text editor because it's just what I'm used to, and it has syntax highlighting, and when you press tab it like adds more spaces. But when you're in the web page version, if you press tab, it goes to this back button here, and that's not what we want. So it's just, I find it easier to use in a text editor. So this first part is going to be H2. We're going to call this Git Seminar, and then we could put a footer and just say my name. Now, one thing I want to get across is that there are reasons or benefits to use Git. I think I'm going to use these four. That'll be on this slide. Just trying to answer the question, what is Git? Why use it? Well, that could be a different slide itself. Why use Git? And here you can have an ordered list, and each item can be this. So what could we put here? Versions of their code. Okay, so I've edited everything in my text editor. Now I'm just going to copy the whole thing and paste it into here and save it like that. So now if I refresh, the first page should say Git Seminar, Cruz Nunez. What is Git? Git is a tool that developers use to manage versions of their code. And why use Git? And you see 1, 2, 3, 4, the ordered list right here, just how I expected it to look based on my markup. So it's just 3 panels right now, but I want to make it a little better. I would like this slide, when you first get to it, to only show why use Git, and then when I press a button for this bullet point to appear, and then when I press a button again, number 2 appears, and then again and again. How do you do that? Well, RevealJS respects a certain class which is called fragment. So if you use the class fragment, if you add that to every list item, it should hide all fragments, but then as you click through, it should show one by one each of the fragments in here. So let's try that. By adding the class fragment and saving, Let me refresh. Everything looks the same, but now none of the ordered list is present. But when I click the right button, I get 1, I get 2, 3, and 4. And you can keep doing this. You can keep adding slides, and you can put links. You can put images. Let's see, let's find an image. So here's an image of Obama crying. So now if we update this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we have an image. You can also embed YouTube videos and include links just like in regular HTML. So you can do basically about anything that you can do in a regular HTML page. Just know that in order for these slides to transition, you have to have these different section tags, and they represent slides. Now another thing you can do is edit the theme and the transition style of the presentation. So right now we're in simple, which is just black and white. We could turn beige and then go with a convex transition. So as you can see, when I click, the changes are instant and the theme is white. If I refresh, if I save and then I refresh, now the background is a little beige and the transition, you can see that the words spin in and out. And just like that, you have a neat little presentation with a theme that you like. That's it. That's all I got. Until next time, thanks for watching.